Hi folks, Matt Smith with Smith Sales Company Auctioneers. Here we have this Cat 930 wheel loader. Now this loader has a 3304 Cat engine. It has a Balderson Quick Connect on this bucket. It has a fairly new looking hour meter in it, shows a little over 4,000 hours. The owner of this loader bought a new one, and he used this loader all winter here in Miles City on a snow contract at the Walmart, so it's in good shape. It's been back and forth all winter long, and they drove it here. So it does run good. I took it through all the gears, didn't see any issue there. So folks, I'll hop in and start her up for you. The interior looks nice. Folks, I took it through all the gears. It works good. It'll be sold Sunday, May 8th. Thanks for looking.